perception of the 42 corridor?
It is extremely destination, and it is a majority of it is made up of discount value-oriented tenants or local mom and pop business owners, which there's always a need for those. They go into every property that's developed. And I'm actually in a battle right now over property maintenance codes. If you can't get a CO on it, it needs to come down, and because there's no use for it. Started to look terrible, started to get dilapidated. Dick didn't wait, just went in, spent his own money, tore the things down. And that's what you're supposed to do. A vacant commercial building that just won't go away and the person can't seem to lease it or do anything with it, and it becomes in such great disrepair that it's got to go. And those are the things also that add vitality, or at least take out the missing teeth or the ugly teeth along the corridor. The Bethany Overlay District. But basically, in effect, what this overlay district did is, first and foremost, it rezoned all the properties to include just about anything other than automotive. No used car lots, no car lot, wrench turners. But it was 6 city blocks that were leveled. There's a couple of things I'd like to knock over. I wish I owned a bulldozer. I wish I owned a bulldozer. I wish I owned a bulldozer.
So, I mean, you've got this whole realm of architectural and building guidelines. That's very important. You start a facade improvement program.
Life's a toy, nothing shocking anymore. Has by you vanished away. Are you real or are you fake? Choose Christ the road to take, but don't go on living unconcerned. Pray for the whole world needs prayer. Love, a sinner cries for love somewhere. Give to that desperate need to care, but don't go on living unconcerned. Are you groping in the dark, in that endless search for love, but don't see you need to be found? Don't try to push the light away, let Christ come in to stay, but don't go on living unconcerned. Pray for the whole world needs prayer. Love, a sinner cries for love somewhere. Give to that desperate need to care, but don't go on living unconcerned. life's a toy, nothing shocking anymore. Has value vanished away? Are you real or are you fake? Choose Christ, the road to take, but don't go on living unconcerned. Pray for the whole world needs prayer. Love, a sinner cries for love somewhere. Give to that desperate need to give, but don't go on living unconcerned. Are you groping in the dark, in that endless search for love, but don't see you need to be found? Don't try to push the light away. Let Christ come in to stay, but don't go on living unconcerned. Pray for the whole world needs prayer. Love, a sinner cries for love somewhere. Give to that desperate need to give, but don't go on living unconcerned.
Takes a little bit of money, a little bit of seed money, but you start a facade improvement program. There's a lot of ways to do it, a lot of flexibilities. It's called a facade loan to grant program. And if you make it to 3 years, they reimburse you and it turns into a grant. A lot of programs are simply a very low interest, 1 or 2% loan. It's 50-50 or 75-25. If facade improvement, we'll pay for 9 or whatever, half of that is. So, facade improvement programs, I think, is one of those little baby steps that is attainable. Obviously, you need the township involved. How do you dress up? How do you create that unique sense of place at your front door?
Choose Christ, the road to take, but don't go on living unconcerned. Pray for the whole world needs prayer. Love, a sinner cries for love somewhere. Give to that desperate need to give, but don't go on living unconcerned.